This video will review removal and installation of the power supply on PPX-1001 series displays. For purposes of safety and to avoid damage to the display, disconnect power to the display prior to service. Begin by disengaging the latches on the power box to access the power supplies. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the cables from the power supply.
Use a nut driver to remove the mounting hardware, securing the power supply to the power box. Remove the power supply from the power box.
When replacing a power supply, place a thermal pad on the back of the new power supply prior to mounting it within the display. Replace the cables and mounting hardware, and then tighten with the Phillips screwdriver. After you are finished replacing the power supply, close the power box, then engage the latches to secure it in place.